Welcome to the Medical Assisting and Phlebotomy booth. My name is Dina Bridges, Coordinator for Medical Assisting and Phlebotomy. I will begin with medical assisting, and Penny Ewan will give information about phlebotomy. Have you ever thought about being a part of a healthcare team that promotes patient care and has a unique blend of administrative and clinical roles? Let me give you some key facts about careers in this field. The demand for medical assistants is expected to grow 23% between now and 2028, according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor. Medical assistants are critical members of the allied healthcare team, and some of the skills they learn and perform are patient referrals, administering medications, assisting with minor office surgery, and performing the laboratory test. Students can earn a diploma at Gaston College in medical assisting in just 3 semesters, and upon completion, take the American Association of Medical Assistants certification exam to achieve the title of Certified Medical Assistant. Online classes are then available for the graduate to achieve Associate of Applied Science degree in medical assisting. Certification in medical assistant is important due to the increased use of the electronic health record. According to the Healthcare Reform Act, certification is required for medical assistants to enter information into the electronic health record. There is a huge demand for medical assistants, and our graduates are employed in areas such as urgent care, family practice, cardiology, dermatology, orthopedics, to name a few. Send any questions to the live chat room or find my contact information on the website. Now, I'll let Ms. Ewan, lead instructor, share information about phlebotomy certificate.
Have you thought about entering the healthcare field but aren't sure what area you would like to work in? Phlebotomy can be a great starting point. Are you detail-oriented? Do you want to contribute to the well-being of others? In just 1 semester, the Gaston College Phlebotomy program prepares you to begin working in this exciting area and prepares you to take the phlebotomy technician certification exam. Many enter the phlebotomy program as a stepping stone to other areas in the healthcare field. Both the LPN and ADN programs here at Gaston College grant 1 admission point towards acceptance to either program. Because you are job ready in less than 5 months and shift schedules can be flexible, phlebotomy often enables you to work as you continue your education. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor, employment of phlebotomists is projected to grow 17% from now to 2029, much faster than the average for all occupations. If you're looking to be a vital member of the healthcare team, please send any questions through the live chat sessions or apply online through the Gaston College website. Applications are currently being taken through November the 13th for spring semester.